Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can view your timeline on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. So to view your timeline, which is pretty much just your history, you first need to enable it in the settings, and that is very easily done. So on the mobile version, you're going to tap on your account icon in the top right. Might be your picture, might be an initial of your account. You just need to access that menu, and then you can go into your account settings, and then you can change the options from there. On the PC version, you can do the same, go to your account management, or you can just go here, go into your data and maps, and that'll open up this settings screen right over here. And then you can scroll down and make sure your timeline is not paused or off. Make sure that it is green and that it is on, and then you'll be able to keep track of your searches. Now, once you are there, you can very easily just go back to the maps. Now, I'm not sure where the timelines are located on on the mobile version. However, I do know where they are on the PC version, and they are pretty much here in this menu. You can go to your timeline, and that's gonna show you exactly what you have done, and it's pretty much the same as your activity on Google. If you ever visited that pretty much a more in detail history, where it doesn't just show you your searches, it'll show you exactly what you searched, what you viewed on which site, and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much all there is to it. There's nothing else I would like to add. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.